In a house with a little garden close by the sea in San Francisco, California, there lived a couple, James and Georgina. They were neither rich nor poor. They fished and worked the land. They had a new boat, a big dog, and an old me. But they had no children. They both wanted children so much that one day Georgina has a dream. While James was fishing, a lady dressed, a light white, appeared with a touch of her wand of fishes. She turned all his fish into precious children. At dawn, Georgina woke up her husband.
What a dream I had last night. That's that beautiful children, beautiful children.
Oh, beautiful children.
You went out to fish the sea, and you brought children to me.
Maybe your wish created this wonderful dream. It's true. I'll go out today with the boat and catch something.
You sailed the boat and you brought many children to me.
Many children to you.
You saw an elegant lady all dressed in white. She held a wand and Tim touched your arm. And all of you fish were turned into children.
It is getting late, my dear. Let's go back to reality.
Reality.
You are my true love, and we have everything that we need. Now I must go out to get my gear, set the sail, and maybe I'll catch some children. Who can tell? Ha 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 ha. What's happening? What is caught in the net? I've never seen such a thing. What's come out of the sea?
What do you want with me? If you do what I suggest, you will be truly blessed.
This magic fish, who was caught by my hand. When she says what to do, I must heed her command.
Cut off my 3 heads. You give must eat one. Your mare and your dog the others. Then hang my 2 tails in your garden.
The mother of fishes has said what to do, and I will heed her command.
James returned in the evening to California port. He goes home, tells Georgina what's happening, and they follow every instruction from the mother of fishes. Nine months passes so quickly. Happiness has found them. The mother of fishes has given her grace. She has laced them. Underneath the lemon tree, magic has formed 2 late words from the tails of the fishes. The little bird dog has 2 little puppies. The old black mare has 2 foals. And for Georgina, beautiful twin sons, little Jane and John, beautiful as the spring. Time has passed. Georgina is at home with her 2 sons. Little Jim is more adventurous and works as a fisherman. John is calmer and works the land. At the age of 20, little Jimmy is feeling restless and wants to go looking for adventure.
What you for me? Do be their mother. mother, so full of life and so brave. Young little James restless brother, but Joan content. My children are almost 20. Jaumet is set of living. His hair longs for adventures, and might he will find them is must let him go.
Mom, little Jimmy wants to see the world all on his own. He'll take the horse, the dog, and sword. They will accompany him. We have two swords that are magic, that will help to protect him. If my sword stays under the lime tree and bad luck befalls him, the sword will rust and give us warning. Don't be afraid, do not worry. Rust will be the signal.
It was the month of April. At first, Jaumet walked in peace through Kentucky, the land of King Megan. But Jaumet learned that a seven-headed dragon brought terror to the lands, and the King Megan is desperation close one of his subjects ever died in sacrifice to the dragon to save of its longer.
I want to see the world. I want to find my destiny. I hope someday that I will find my princess. But a seven-headed dragon has terrified the people, and they each die. A new child is taken and 18. I will find him. I will slay him. He will die by my hand.
The next day arrived with great misfortune of the King Megan. His young and beautiful daughter was close for the dragon. The king afraid his daughter had to anyone who walked kill the dragon as challenge. Would have it Jaumet and his horse meet the dragon when I tried to attack. His Jaumet brought of his sword and charged the dragon case.
Where do you think you are going? You are nothing to die you will be. If this land, what is no, the magic word.
Cursed dragon, you are cruel and horrible. No, you see, you are doomed. With my magic sword, I kill you.
What knight is this who comes here? He has killed that angry dragon. Such a brave young man he must be, and he seems good-hearted too. My father made a promise to feed you lands and his daughter. Celebrate our wedding day. Today, the whole town will join in our wedding.
Beyond the springs you will find my palace, waiting here at and a peaceful shelter welcomes you after travels through the land. Who lives within this castle so far, surrounded by birds of a king, yet a stillness is everywhere. And my pleasant shaded garden grew southern lovely plants, roses and sweet-smelling flowers. Catch the brave on in a train.
My mind is troubled. Whose voice is this?
Rosella from the water, mistress of the precious place. Now I wait for someone brave, and you can be the one for me.
Oh, Rosella, such a name. Beautiful, exquisite and clear. Rosella, this place put me under a spell.
Who are you, wonderful man? What brought you here alone?
I'm Jaumet, the adventurer. I'm to find my destiny. I have killed a dragon. But now I feel tired and I want to sleep.
Please come in, good gentleman. You can rest inside my home. You can leave your dog outside. Take off your scarf and be comfortable. Come in, trusting gentleman. I'm home. You'll see the talking bird.
Dog and answer. I live outside. I'm coming in a...
As such an innocent man, you have trusted too much. You feel under my spell, and now you are my captive. Poor Jaumet, forever to be a pillar of salt, a pillar of salt, a pillar of salt. I've been ensnared you, and now there is nothing to do. All the drift you become a pillar of salt. Under my spell, innocent man, trusting so. And you were a fool. I did not know.
I let a witch ensnare me, and now there is nothing to do. I will live without Eleanor. If my brother can know, he'd come to help me. I wonder, dear mother, I can you hear me? Petrified, I am alone. I have become a pillar of salt. I can't go on help me, Joan. I live without Eleanor.
My heart is heavy, full of longing. His goes on long, little Jamie. I know he's brave and strong, little Jamie. It's rare that my son has not sent you news.
My mother is worried for Jaumet, and now magic sword has rusted. Something has happened to my brother. I know that something is wrong. The sword was to be the signal.
Something has happened to my son.
Joan set off with his dog and his horse to find his brother. After a few days, he arrived in Castalla, where he explained to the Duke and Princess Eleanor that he was the twin brother of little Jamie. They told John how little Jamie had disappeared. The next day, John took his dog, his horse, and his sword and galloped off, following the path of his brother towards O'Neill. Attracted by bird singing, he arrived at the house of the witch.
I think that this voice is so strange. It is so nice, but I wonder, why does my hair feel so cool? My dog and horse stay here with me. She has a wand, she's a witch. I'm under a spell, faithful dog. Take the wand, set me free.
Ha 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 ha. Rose and flower. Brings beautiful you made to me. I like you up, better you mother. No home will ever suspect that I reach on the way. All than a century. In the was of my head Hide away. Their hearts are done in Storan. They mean are nomad of Mare. They can feel more than now.
I nothing now.
But silence. On hand I approach. He seemed to be coasting and rich beauties. A song and guidance.
Oh, this must be a dream. I can't believe my eyes. Dear brother, I've missed you. Here you are at last. The witch has no more power now. She will never harm anyone again. Now, my brother dear, let's get out of here. Someone special's waiting and I am overdue. We will have big parties, celebrations too. My dear wife is waiting. I'm free now, thanks to you.
Finally, my love has returned. I'm so happy. He is free. Home again, and in my arms, the spell that held my is broken. Stay here with you, my brother. You are so kind, a gentleman. Look for girlfriend in Castella. Beautiful, kind-hearted. She will be here in the village. You can live. Stay with you. You will be honored.
Elegant lady, I dream of you, all dressed in white. You have shown us your grace.
Little Jamie killed the dragon.
And brought back 7 tongues.
Jaumet killed the dragon.
Celebration and wedding day.
Or wedding day.
Or wedding day.
Or wedding day.
Wedding day.
Look, the ghost of the evil witch.
You are mine. We will fight together. You cannot cast a spell or bewitch anyone. And as for your spirit, will
send it to hell. This time I will win.
Ha! Through my power are much more. Do you think I will have my revenge?
No, I'm Eleanor, and I will defend the man that I love.
You, I sure.
You think you are stronger, but I'm not afraid.
You speak, you don't.
The tongues of the dragon, with their magical fire, will defeat your power.
Her powers are strong,
And for
more than before.
ever she will be gone.
Now she will die, but to her death.
Now together we fight.
and never again will you cast a spell. What left your friends will be
Banished to hell. Talking beer. Ha, the beer.
destroyed. You will
Be destroyed.
magical fire. The tongues of the dragon will magical fire. Run and burn.
Preach my magic, your side abyss. Ha ha ha.
The beer will fight.
The beer will fall. Ha.
Fighting beer. Fighting beer.
Running and burn.
We are safe.
We are all safe. We are all safe. We are all safe. We are all.
The mother of physics.
A gift gave to you. We go for into land.
The mother of physics. Oh, my dream, oh, life. I saw elegant lady. All dressed in white, the mother, parents, and their children. Life shine upon all. The end.